Morning students, welcome back to the online classes of KVR Academy. Myself Krishna sir as your science teacher. Today I am going to teach you class 5 science. Its name is plant life and this is chapter 5. Already I have provided you lesson 1, 2, 3 and 4 science video I have already uploaded to you, and today we will discuss about plant life. Time you think in your minds this what is plant and what is animals. You know, man is a social animal. We are also an animal. We are heterotrophs and we are also consumer. We depend on plants for their food. Suppose you think in the mind that there is no plant in this world, then what would happen? You think in the mind we are all died. We are not able to survive. That's why plant give us all the valuable things to us, because they are a producer. They during the photosynthesis they give us oxygens and they give us to us oxygens. That's why we are survive here. So during this photosynthesis, plant manufacture their own food and stored in it is known as starch. They are producers, and they have one green pigment. This is known as chlorophyll. That's why the color of the leaves is green. You know, you see in your home there is a kitchen, and in the kitchen your mother cooks foods to you. That's why this is same to you think in the mind of the plant. If you take the leaves of the plant, the leaves is in the kitchen of the plant. It is not a food factory of the plant. And between the underside of the leaves there is stomata, from which the gas is exchanged, oxygen and carbon dioxide gas exchange, and there is a guard cell. And when there is a need of a gases, it opens. It's known as stoma and known as stomata. You know, plants also germinate. Suppose you see a gram at your home. If you put water in the a grams of 5, 6, 7, you see there is a one things. You see white things very occur. Which this white things grown up. This white it is known as germination. So it is very. It is also known as very nourishment to give. It is give us very nourishment to us. That's why gram is very good for you and for us also. And plants give us one of the. It is one of the beautiful creature of the gods. Come to the point. How do plants reproduce? You know, reproduce. What is 1% what is reproduction? The process by which a new kinds having a similar identities that grown up is known as reproduction. The process by which we give birth to our babies or to other substances, same kinds in the same peculiar condition, or in the other condition you see your nose totally changes, your eyes totally changes, but something from your parents, your nose is very similar, your ear is very similar, your face is similar. This is known as reproduction. Means the new generation comes, it is known as reproduction. And reproduction, how do plant reproduce? One by one I will clarify you. Reproductions from the stem. You know, you see a potato. You have eyes. All of you have eyes, but potato also have eyes. From this eyes, it grew up. Another name of potato is tuber plant. It also grown up. It also grow. And from this stem also, one of the examples, tuber plant is also one of the examples from the plant is grown up and form a new. Suppose you cut a ice and put into the soils. You see in this soil 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 kinds of wood, 10 or 11 kinds, 12, 13 number of potatoes grown up from there. Onion also. Second one is reproductions from the roots. You know, from the roots also plants reproduce. Our ginger, you see ginger also, turmeric also, it grown up from the roots. With all the plants, means all the parts of the plant we are going to explain you, clarify, and wanting you in the mind all the parts of the plant we eat. Third, reproduction from leaves. You know, you see a barophyllum plant. You see in the there's the leaves, and between dead leaves also one leaves grown up. This is known as barophyllum, and these barophyllums get supported us and give us some nourishment and give us exchange of gases also. This barophyllum is very important. Next one is reproduction from seeds. You know, seeds, the structure of seeds. Suppose you take this is a structure of seeds. You see, and when you open the seeds, there is a baby shoots also, baby roots also, and this is known as cotyledons. This is known as cotyledons, and this is known as baby shoot also, baby root also, and outer layer of the seed is known as seed coat. So this is the structure of leaves. And this is structure of leaves also. And here between we open the seeds. You think that there's a baby shoot also, baby root also, and cotyledons also. This and next one is 4 is reproduction from seeds. So this is the process of seeds. Seeds, how does the seed open seed? So I think I repeat again. How do plant reproduce? Plant reproductions from the stems, reproduction from roots, reproductions from leaves, and reproduction from seeds. These are 4 kinds of how do the plant reproduce from this. And there is also one thing, grafting also. Suppose you cut a sugar cane and grow in the soil, and sugar cane grow up. Rose plant also, it is not a grafting. So suppose how do grafting go? Suppose there is 2 mango plants in your surrounding or in your gardens. One is sour and one is too much sweet. So you cut the stems of the sweet mango plants or sour mango plant and combine and bind them. You see, if you bind them, the sour mangoes turn into a sweet mango also, or otherwise sweet mango also turn into a solid, into a sour. This is known as grafting. Next we'll come to the point cotyledon. The seed has 2 leaves. Means the seed has 2 leaves. That is known as cotyledons. You see normally surfaces. You see seeds in your surrounding also. Your farmers grow seed in the soils. You see, this is a summer season here. All the people try to grow up rice or paddy in the plant. You see when you grow up paddy plants or gram. You see if you open the gram, there is a baby shoot also, baby root also. And there are 2 kinds of crop you grow in the Kharif season, Rabi season, and there is also one crop is jet crop also. It grows in summer season. For Kharif crop, Kharif this is a summer season crops. In the summer season, whatever you grow crops is known as summer crop, or you can know as Kharif crop also. And that's one is Rabi crop you grown in the winter seasons. Suppose wheat, gram, this is known as, and pea, this is known as winter crops. So today's video is over. I think all of you understood it. In the next video I have uploaded is other things, what is the needs of germination also, what is the role of plants life in the also, and what is the process of growing plants in the next video. Thanks. That's all. Have a nice day.